Today is my topic regarding the Excel function is very important, which is goal seek. Uh, Sometimes we need some amounts which are required by us, but we don't have the actual data which shows the actual amount like that. We want to get a sum of 7,000, or the target amount must be 7,000, and there are different invoices here from Amir, Asif, Akif and Atif. There are 4 persons and the invoices are 4. Here units are different, rates are different, and the amounts are different, but we need an amount of 6,000 here, but we don't know about the units here. Price we knows, but the amount is also multiplied by the unit, and we need such a unit price which must be multiplied with this rate, and we will get such an amount that we will get a sum of rupees 6,000. Now I will tell you how. First of all, we will use the function the goal seek. First of all, we go to the data and then what if analysis, and then goal seek. In the goal seek, here a box open. First of all, it's asking for some set cells. It's asking for some set cells. Set cells is here where we want to get the actual amount like 6,000 or 7,000, and now it's asking for some amount. We have to type here like 6,000 we need here, and changing cell where we want to change the unit price is here. Now unit price is here, and now we will press OK. It will automatically calculate the amount, the unit price of Atif's invoice is 320. The rate is 5, which is already given. The amount must be 1602 to get an actual amount of total amount of 6,000. Now another way, I'll tell you how. I need an amount of rupees 7,000, which must be the sum of all the amounts here. Then again I will go to the data, and then what if analysis, and then goal seek. I need a set cell. Here is a set cell, and I need a value of rupees 7,000 here, and in this amount 7,000 here, and I have to change the cell. Here is this one. To click this and then OK, I'll get that amount 7,000 here, and I need a unit price of 520, which is multiplied by 5. I'll get the amount 2,602 to get the actual amount of 7,000. It's an easy way to get the required amount here. Hope you like that.